Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you an insider look of what is involved in preparing an estimate as an insurance adjuster. Here we go. So this is a 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and normally first thing I look into is the claim description. The claim description is going to say what exactly happened in the accident. In this situation, a third party was going straight and collided with the vehicle. The left front corner of the third party vehicle looked like it hit the Mazda Miata right here while it was making the turn. So it caused the reinforcement to go in, of course damaged the bumper, and damage looks like the left side of the car as well. Seems like the impact caused everything to go in and forced the headlight out. Now that we have an idea of what happened in the accident, the next step is making a list of what has to be replaced. So obviously the bumper has to be replaced, but we got to keep in mind when you write to replace the bumper, there's a lot of parts that are associated with the bumper, for example like the emblem, but then also the bumper supports. There's some brackets here. Obviously the reinforcement has to be replaced, but with the reinforcement there's usually a plastic absorber here that may have been damaged as well. Obviously this still has a sticker on here, if you notice, as the Mazda sticker, so you can see that this reinforcement was replaced before. The grill has to be replaced. Sometimes the sensor for the air temp sensor is damaged, but this actually looks like it's fine. It has to be mounted back onto the bumper assembly. The left headlight is broken. It's not inside the car, so we wear the headlight, the front bumper assembly, the brackets. There's this bracket here. There is an interior bracket over here as well that was broken. Let's see on the outside. This fog lamp is actually cracked, but that's from before, but I'm gonna replace it anyway. Let's go on this side. This side looks like it's okay. This fog lamp's alright. Over here looks like it's okay also. Now visually this headlight has just a little scrape over here, but if you notice, it moves. It's not supposed to do that. And a good way to tell is by looking down over here. It might be hard to see, but the bracket that holds the headlight is broken. Now it might be an easy fix. It might just be, I might be able just to weld it together like a little plastic weld, but I have to examine the light first to make sure it's not cracked. Doesn't have any holes. If it's just a little tab, it's perfect. I can still save it and just fix it. This panel looks like it was pushed back, but it might be repairable. All in all, it's not that bad. The great thing about the MX-5 Miatas is the radiator and the condenser is installed at an angle, so it's slanted just like the Corvettes. So it actually saves it from any potential impact or damage, and it does a really good job of keeping the car cool. So that's pretty much it. I have a start of what the car needs. The next step is sourcing the parts and then doing the repair. Normally as an insurance adjuster I just prepare an estimate, but since this is actually my wife's personal car, I'm gonna start a project of actually repairing it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, please follow, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you want to see more stuff like this. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. Thank you.